Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be with me. Before you, you have the Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame, the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame, and the Euro USD on the 5 minute time frame in both the Heikin Asahi and the traditional Japanese candles. Now, guys, I know this is the second time I've said this in a video, but I was actually making this video live, and I don't know what's going on with my sound quality, but it did not work out, and I had to close the last video so I could close out on this candle, because you can see that I got the break and close below this large pink candle. But it may be time for me to buy again. I'm just going to have to wait and see what price does. But I want to remind you to trade in harmony with your trend. Let's take a look at this. Well, actually, since this is the cleanest chart I have, the Heikin Asahi, you can see how this 10 period SMA is pointing in a bullish manner. If you are trending up, and some days you have a range bound or a swinging market. Generally, when you have that, your SMA is going to pretty much be flat, and you're going to have peaks and valleys and peaks and valleys and peaks and valleys. But when you have a market that is clearly trending, watch out for these areas, because they are trick areas. They're areas to get you to get on the wrong side of the trade. Let's advance this a little bit. And you can see earlier this morning, we were in a good bearish fall very, very nicely. And you can see how at this 200 SMA, we got all of these kind of trick candles before continuing in harmony with that overall bearish trend. So watch out for these areas. And guys, I want to say, if there is a secret to success with my trading, it is the wait then follow method. I wait when it's time to wait, and I follow the market when it starts to show me the way. Now, these areas are here because they throw us off. They throw us off and get us confused, and this is how they get us. They get us because it's hard for us to wait. It's hard for us to wait, and we find ourselves on the wrong side of the trade with price going against us. But the great thing about the market is, even if you get in on this and you get in on the wrong side of the trade and the market breaks the other way, guys, go ahead and free yourself. Go ahead and free yourself and follow the money. Always follow the money, and never let them leave you behind without the money. That is so very important. And I'm kind of watching this chart here, but considering it's afternoon, I need to just go ahead and be done for today, I think. But you can see that you have a great confluence in all of your charts. Your hourly chart is bullish. The 1 minute time frame, you take a look at this and shrink it, you can see that this 200 SMA is acting as a perfect guide to the way that your trend is going. And also on your 5 minute time frame, which you've seen. Now, guys, I've gotten stopped out twice today already. Twice. It's no big deal. I cut myself out of a bad trade down here, went in harmony with the trend, and even though my original stop was here, I stopped out on this candle because I looked at the price action. Even though on the 1 minute time frame, I didn't close below that 50 SMA or any of those things, but I thought, well, this is engulfing, and chances are we're going to come back down. And I shorted this market. That's what I did. That's how I got stopped out twice. We're going to come back down and retest this area of support before going on in a bullish manner. That's not what happened. I got right back in the market, and I got stopped out on this candle with the break and close below there. But I turned right back around and got back in on this candle. Why? Because I was looking for an opportunity to go back in harmony with that overall trend, and looking at it on the 1 minute time frame, I had the advantage that I was looking for, even though it was immediate. And you can see that even though price came back to retest this area, I did not get a break and close below that. Got back in and rolled it up until I just got stopped out in the last video, which was on this candle. Now I may get an opportunity to go back in harmony with the bullish trend, but I think for the most part I'm done today. But when you are trading, guys, you are looking for an opportunity to go in harmony with the trend. Wait, then follow. Wait, then follow. That's what the market does. It gives you this long period of wait, burst of energy. Wait, burst of energy. That's what you want to do. Right now I'm in a waiting period. I'm waiting to see what the market is going to do. That's my job, to wait on the market. Why? Because it's about building my wealth. Guys, this is not a casino. This is not a place to gamble. This is a place to create and build your wealth, and it's going to require patience. That's how they get us. That's how they get us, because we don't want to wait. Look at all of that long waiting period that we have going on the 1 minute time frame. And it's hard to wait on that, but you have to decide whether or not you're going to be disciplined and make the money and create the wealth, or if you're going to gamble. The choice is yours. But guys, I also want to take this opportunity to introduce a new service that I am providing. I am providing paid one-on-one Forex trading. And the reason I'm doing that is because for some people my videos and blogs are not enough. There will be a link in addition to my regular blog below this video if it's something that you are interested in. I posted the pricing online. As you know, I don't have any secrets. Pricing will definitely be different if you are outside of the US. Just want to make that known. But as far as the videos and the blogs, they're going to remain free. And I'm also going to let you know up front that I'm not going to tell you anything in person or over the phone that I'm not telling you in the videos. The only benefit that you're going to have is you're going to have me exclusively one-on-one, solely focused on whatever your area of challenge may be. Guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a pit-filled trading week.